Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Instagram Reels effects. Want to make your Instagram Reels more creative and engaging? In this video, I'll show you how to use Instagram Reels effects step by step. The first step is to open Instagram Reels camera. And to do that, just go to Instagram and click on the app. After that, swipe right to open the camera, as you can see here. And then click on the Reels option to tap on the Reels option at the bottom. As for the second step is to browse and select an effect. And to do that, just tap on the effects icon. It's the 3 stars on the left. Let's look for it. It's this one right here. And as you can see here, you can swipe through the effects or tap browse effects. As you can see various various effects. You can swipe between them, change them. Try an effect by clicking on it and tapping on the effect to preview it, and if you like it, tap on use effect. For example, I'm gonna use this one, and as you can see, the effect is applied. As for the fourth step is to record and edit your audio, and to do that, just hold the record button to capture your video with the effects. You can also add multiple effects by stopping and switching between clips. And for the fifth and final step is to post your reel. Now after recording, tap on next and add a caption, hashtags, and select the thumbnail, and in the end tap on share to post your reel. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to use Instagram Reels effects. Try different effects to make your videos more eye-catching and fun. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.